Video editing with Windows Movie Maker or iMovie is very simple. Simply start the program, which may be an icon on your desktop or may be found in the Programs file. Once commenced, you will be presented with a screen similar to this. To add a video, simply click on the Add Videos and Photos or click on the icon in the Stage area. Select the movie from whatever directory you may have it saved in. The wavy line at the bottom of the screen indicates the wave pattern or audio file attached to the movie. Depending on the movie you've chosen, this may or may not appear. To view your scene, simply move to the play button underneath the monitor window and press play. This will enable you to see video and audio. To stop this, you can press the pause button. You can then use the left or right arrows to move forward or back one frame at a time. This is a very useful tool for editing video and finding the last frame in a scene to cut at. To cut or split a video, simply move to the Edit tab at the top of the screen and press Split. The video will be split into two pieces at the point that the marker is currently at. Now, for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to cut this clip a couple of times using the same technique. I'll play until I get close to the end of the scene. I'll then use the left or right arrow buttons, whatever's appropriate, to find the last frame of the scene that I want to cut at. I will then go up to the split, press it, and I have once again cut my video into another section. If I wish to remove the rest of that video, I simply click on it, highlight it, and press delete on the keyboard. If you make a mistake here, don't worry, simply press Ctrl Z to undo this cut. Now I'm going to cut one more section out of this, just so that I have enough scenes to do the rest of the demo with. Same technique as before, split, click on the unwanted portion, press delete on the keyboard, and I have 3 trimmed scenes. These scenes can each individually be moved to any position on the timeline that I wish. Transitions are used to fade or cross-dissolve from one scene to another. To add a transition, go to the tabs at the top and go to the Animation tab. There are a number of transitions available here. They will give you different ways of changing from one scene to another. These can be applied to an individual clip or to all the clips with the Apply to All. The duration of the transition can also be adjusted with the Duration button. To apply a transition to a selected clip, simply select the clip and apply the transition. You'll notice that the Duration button has come up with a timescale which can be adjusted. Titles and captions are added simply by moving to the Home tab at the top of the screen and clicking on the appropriate button. For instance, a title, simply type in the title you wish and click on the new background that has appeared on your timeline to accept the title. To add a caption or subtitles to a selected piece of video, first select the video, move to the top bar, select Caption, enter the text you wish, and click on the Enter Text Here button. The caption will now display across the bottom of the video, and the start time is displayed on the top bar. The duration of the text is adjustable so that it does not run over onto the next piece of video. It is also possible to add effects to your captions and titles by going to the top bar and selecting an effect. You will see a variation of effects appearing on your screen now. It's simply a matter of choosing one to use it. If you wish to add credits to the end of your film, simply move to the Credits tab, type in the appropriate text, and click on the credits. This will give us a credit that scrolls from the bottom to the top of the screen smoothly. All text is adjustable in font size, type, and some special effects. Please feel free to play with these to see what things you can create. There are also numerous pre-selected themes that can be applied to your movies, giving you various transitions and credit and title options. You may wish to experiment with some of these. To add additional music or narration, you can simply go to the Home menu and click Add Music or Record Narration. This will add an extra audio track of your selection underneath your current video. To save the movie you have just made, simply go to the File tab and go to Save Movie and choose the format you wish, or go to Publish Movie and save to the required web format. So have fun making movies.